Okay, now see how can we solve it. In this we have which number, binary number, and we have to convert it into decimal, right? So for binary we are having 101001. So for this how we'll write down 2 raised power 0, 2 raised power 1, 2 raised power 2, 2 raised power 3, 2 raised power 4, and 2 raised power 5. So we'll multiply these terms and then add all these terms. So it would be 2 raised power 5 plus it would be 0 plus 2 raised power 3 plus 0 plus 0. 2 raised power 0 is always 1, right? So after solving it we'll get the value 41. Now the turn for decimal, that is 0.101. So for this how will we solve it? That is, it will multiply it here by 2 raised power minus 1. Okay, then here 2 raised power minus 2, then here 2 raised power minus 3. So what will get in the answer? That would be 0.1 into 2 raised power minus 1 plus 0 into 2 raised power minus 2 plus 1 into 2 raised power minus 3. So that would be 1 by 2 plus 0 plus 2, 1 by 2, 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 1 by 2 raised to power, sorry, 1 by 8, right? So, so if we'll add it, then we'll get 0.625. So the correct answer is D, 41.625. Clear?